What's up, guys? It's Saturday. That means it's time for another hobby box. We once again have Road to WrestleMania 2017. It's open because I accidentally stopped the video because I had a message come in on Facebook. No hits yet. I had only opened 2 packs. So we will keep going. Product has been awesome. Can't wait to see what we're going to hit this time. As far as the shows this week, you had Keith Lee winning the NXT title from Adam Cole, becoming a double champion. The 8-man tag on AEW, which I'm sure is just setting up for Young Bucks versus FTR. Other than that, not too much to note. I know I keep saying it. I am trying to come. I did post a video of some of my WWF stuff, but I think to keep it card themed, I do use cards in my displays, and some stuff is things that haven't been pulled here that I have bought off eBay when I needed them. So maybe a video on that. I know everyone loves the Kiss cards, including me. Maybe a video with my Kiss cards. Don't know why these changed position. And first hit, the Boss, Sasha Banks, 35 of 50. So nice hit, great auto. Don't think I'll have any problem moving that. I already have a few Sasha autos. Now, if a new one, if I got one from a new set with the blue hair, it'd be cool. And look at that. We got another, this time not, we got an Alexa Bliss Kiss card, 7 of 99. So another fantastic box. Trying to get through these quick because, again, only looking for that numbered card, which is really no big deal. So getting to the bottom of the box here. So hopefully I can continue to find these because they've been nothing but fantastic. I wish they were putting products out like this now. Don't know why there's been such a steep decline. Looks like we are down to our last 3 packs. Alright, there was a number card, I missed it, no big deal. As always, thanks for watching, keep checking back, take care.